Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to see your Apple ID password. And you can do this on two ways. The first way is scroll down and search for the apps or app passwords, because Apple is using this app for saving all your passwords. Log in with your Face ID and then from here click on all and then here search for Apple. Now right now, if you can see, here is no Apple password saved, so this way is not possible. Maybe you have it saved and then you are already there, but from now we need to do one single thing. We throw this one away, we scroll down and we search for Google Chrome. Then we are here. Then we tap here on the three dots right in the bottom and then we click here on Password Manager. Face ID again. And then right now we search here for Apple, click on apple.com, and right now you can click here on the I to see your Apple ID and your username. So this is the other way how you can do this. If this still won't work, you can go to iforgot.apple.com and there you can change or say that you forgot your password and then they can help you out. Alright, these are the three steps how you can do this, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.